Baga Unara. I'm so happy to be here. I want to thank all of you for being here and gracing this occasion. It really means a lot to me. You guys are showing me so much love. So, first of all, I would like to thank Airtel for this association. Usually my films are very, very bold films, so brands are very scared to come forward and tie up with us. I think Airtel has really been fearless. अच्छा, मैंने थोड़ी तेलुगु अपनी practice की है, मैं थोड़ी यहाँ बोल दूँ. तामु पगा तीर्चुकने मुंदु, आवेशंगा वादिले स्वासे bus आदे hiss. ठीक था, was it correct? Thank you. Hiss is about the shape-shifting snake, Ichabhai Nagin. It's a very popular legend in our country. We have a huge festival called Nag Panchami. Snakes are worshipped in our country. What was really interesting was that when I went to America and I told them about the tales of the Nagin and the snakes in our country, they were shocked. The foreigners just couldn't believe that such a thing actually exists in the world, because for them snakes are monsters, and in our country women go to Nag Devi's temples to worship. So Hiss is basically our own Desi subject. It's a Bollywood film, it's our own Indian film, but the special effects that has been done by Hollywood. So I would say Hiss is like Robot. It is meant for India, but the special effects that were done from abroad. Last Nagin film that was made was 24 years ago. So it's been 24 years since the Nagin film has come. And Hiss is very contemporary, because for the first time we are going to see an actual live transformation where the Nagin changes from a girl to a snake and a snake to a girl live in front of the camera. And the Nagin of Hiss is just doesn't wear, it's not only about song and dance, she swallows her victims alive. In the effects, they had to put snake makeup on me, which took a long time. 6 hours for the snake scales to be put on me. I had a long, shiny snake tail. I couldn't walk. They had to carry me to the sets. So I had to be in the mud with leeches crawling all over me. We were shooting in Kerala, down south in the jungles in Tekri. And on top of it, it was raining, it was cold. And I had this live snake in my hand, and the director is shouting at me, "Mallika, you're the Nagin, kiss the snake!" And I actually had to kiss that snake. I'm a vegetarian and I do a lot of yoga. And I lead a very disciplined life. Being sexy is not easy. A lot of hard work goes into it. Very glamorous and dangerous. Dangerous. You know, I would say when I traveled abroad, my observation was that in the West and all over the world, they have their own superheroes. They have He-Man, they have Batman, Superman, Spider-Man. And I think we are going to be giving a new icon to the world, because Nagin is our own basic Indian superhero. So we are going to be giving a new icon to the world, and the West is so excited by this new superhero. They never heard of this snake, but she's still sexy.
Yeah, still sexy.
Yeah, I would say she's the ultimate femme fatale. Very dangerous. Which scene did I like the most? You know, I have to share this anecdote with you, which is so important. When we were shooting the movie, every day we used to do puja to Nag Devi. And whenever we used to do puja to Nag Devi, things would go very well on the sets, shooting would progress smoothly. And whenever we didn't do the puja, everything would fall apart on the sets. Nothing would go smoothly. This is a personal experience which we had while shooting for Hiss. But I want to ask all of you that Nagin is such an Indian subject. It is so ingrained in the psyche of every Indian. All of us have grown up with this. How come for 24 years no Nagin film, no snake film has been made in India? I would like to ask the media that. The best thing in the movie? She's sexy, she's venomous, and she'll swallow you whole.
Thank you.
अभी सांप का बॉयफ्रेंड तो सांप ही होगा, the snake. But I must confess, at that time, kissing the snake was really torturous for me. But now when I see it, that kiss is the best on-screen kiss till now. The kiss in Hiss. I believe in it as much as every other Indian believes in Ramayana, Mahabharata, Nagin, because these are all mythological tales all of us have grown up with. No one really knows whether they exist or they don't, but there are strong Indian beliefs. So I believe in it as much as you do or as much as she does. The most challenging has been his. To play a snake is not easy. Although I'm surrounded by snakes all the time. Yes, a lot of homework we did because I found out first of all, snakes are cold-blooded creatures. They have a 180-degree vision and they shed skin. And I found it very fascinating that they don't have hands or feet. They slide their way through slimily all over, everywhere. And snakes don't have teeth, they don't chew, they swallow.
Snakes are cold-blooded creatures. Mallika also is like that naturally.
What do you think? Huh?
You have to answer it.
In the movie, Mallika is very cold-blooded.
Outside the movie,
What do you think?
I think you are also cold-blooded.